What if a product promised to replace expensive dental work at home, give you a perfect smile in minutes, and cost only a fraction of real dentures? Would you trust it or question it? That's exactly the promise behind Arborahaven Dentures, a product heavily advertised online as an easy, affordable, no-clinic solution for missing or damaged teeth. The marketing claims sound extremely appealing. A perfect fit, no need for dental glue, instant results, and a smile transformation that looks natural without any professional help. But when you look beyond the ads, serious concerns start to appear. First, the idea of a one-size-fits-all denture is medically unrealistic because real dentures require precise measurements, jaw impressions, and adjustments done by licensed dental professionals. Without that, proper fit and comfort are almost impossible. Then there is the pricing, which seems unusually low for something claiming to be medical grade, raising questions about material quality and safety standards. Customer feedback found across multiple platforms shows a different picture than the ads, with repeated complaints about poor fit, discomfort, easy breakage, and products not matching expectations. Some buyers also report difficulty getting refunds or responses from customer support after issues arise. On top of that, several promotional images and testimonials appear generic or potentially reused, which further weakens credibility. There are also claims of thousands of satisfied customers, but no verifiable clinical backing or transparent company information to support those numbers. In the end, while the product is marketed as a quick smile fix, the evidence points toward exaggerated advertising and inconsistent real-world performance, making it difficult to trust the claims at face value.